Hello, this is Kelly from Rue Pursuit, and this is a little frog that I received from a company called TIVISIY, and they make these really neat light up carved wooden, I don't know, decorative lights, I guess. But anyway, they're kind of rustic and they have lots of different shapes of like animals and different items, so they look super cool. Anyway, today I'm going to show you some other items that I got from TIVISIY. All right, so as we get to the unboxing, let's go ahead and see what we've got from TIVISIY. So this one is kind of the neatest products and most original products that they offer, which are these hand carved. I'm told that these are boxwood and they light up. This one does. There's different elements, like some have like a remote and stuff like that, but this one does light up. Some of them don't light up, but this one does. And there's a little easy little button on it, and it's very cool along the sides with the boxwood and this different staining on each one. So if you like frogs, those are pretty cool. This is a USB charger, so you do need a wall charger that is not included with the item. Okay, let's pull out the second one. All right, yeah. So let's pull out this. So these I thought would be nice for junk journalers. These are bee earrings on like wooden honeycombs. They are so cute. Check this out. So for any of you bee lovers, I know that I like to, oh, won't find the charm. Okay, so this is how that goes. How cool is that? So I know that for junk journalers, I've shown before how I turned this into a charm by basically just using my pliers to turn this into a circle and attaching it to like a paper clip or something, or a safety pin. So look at that. Isn't that cute with the silver bee? So one set of earrings could be two junk journal charms. So those are very cute. And then also there are these cute little frog earrings. Again, I have turned these types of earrings into little charms, where I basically use it as a brad and I bend the back over the piece of paper. So yeah, those are really cute. Cute little frogs. Okay, so that was one item that TIVISIY sent me. Just so you know, they did offer to send these to me at no charge if I were to do the video on it. So that's kind of the deal here. There is going to be a discount code. You're going to get 15% off for anyone who clicks on the link and enters in the code ROOT15 is the coupon code to get 15% off of your order. All right, so look at this. Ah, this is so cute. These are fun. Oh my gosh, this is like a wooden puzzle. Oh my goodness. In the shape of an elephant and a baby elephant. So cool. I have no idea if you can take these apart. These wooden items are so, I would assume that you can, and you must have to take them apart in some kind of an order. Oh, you know what? I see what it is now. This peg that goes through the eyes, that holds these two pieces together. So if I pull the peg out, then all of this will come apart. So I see it. I'm not going to do it though. I don't trust myself to put it back the right way, but how pretty is that elephant? And so if you like sort of like rustic elements, oh, look at the giraffe. Just like a little giraffe figurine. So that's super cool. Neat. All right, so that's the majority. It looks like I've got one more item here. And once I'm done with this, then I'm just going to set them up on a shelf and I'll do a little video of them on a shelf. Oh, it's like a little stand. Maybe that goes in there. We'll see. Goes like that. Oh, wow. So this goes through here, I think. And it does fit in certain directions, so the wing is facing a certain way, so that's handy. It won't go in a different way. So now how does it fit on there? Ooh, how does it stay? I mean, I thought there was supposed to be a hole in there. Or maybe it just oh yes, it balances. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. It balances on there. Wow. Oh, well, isn't that neat? It has like a little bit of movement to it. Sort of like a kinetic thing. Ooh, sorry, Mr. Giraffe. Look at that. But these wood items are so interesting. Now I want to look at the picture to make sure I've got it. On the website, it does show that it is just balancing right on the tail. Yeah, there we go. Huh. How cool is that? And then it just kind of spins around. Woo! I really like that. Neat. All right. Well, these are the things from TIVISIY, so I hope you'll give it a try. They have lots of gifts and decor. They have lots of jewelry. And their biggest thing is these carved lights. So they just look so neat with all of the dimension to it. So we're going to take a look at those. And I hope you will check out the website. There we go. It's so funny how it just pops right up there and balances. That's super cool. All right. Here is the elephant on the shelf. And then here is the giraffe. So I hope you check out this website and you'll get a good discount. The prices seemed really reasonable when I checked them out. Well, as always, thanks for coming along and I'll talk to you later.